Indian chess champs were asked to pay customs duty. Now, this team won its first ever gold medal in the International Chess Federation Online Chess Olympiad. In fact, this is India's first ever victory in August this year. And the 12-member team managed everything on their own without any support coming in for them. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also had praised them. In fact, we're being told now that the team was forced to pay customs duty on their gold medals. Grandmaster Srinath Narayan tweeted about this particular incident. He also would be joining us on the broadcast. Let's first go across to Karishma. This is unfortunate, also very, very embarrassing.
Well, yes, absolutely. This is very, very embarrassing. This is a chess team that created history as far as, chess in India is concerned. Joint winners with Russia for the very first time. And now, when we spoke to Srinath Narayanan, who is going to be joining us also in a while, said that he was forced to pay 6,300 rupees to the courier company. And in fact, he had to show
in fact, we do have Grandmaster Srinath Narayanan joining us in the broadcast. Let's go across to him. Good afternoon to you, sir. This, of course, is very unfortunate and embarrassing, and there's a central government notification that exempts all these medals and trophies won by Indian sports team members for participating in international tournaments. But it looks like those custom officers were not aware of the particular notification.
I think there had been a bit of a miscommunication between the DHL and the customs, because as I understand, DHL sent it as an something that I was receiving as an individual. And I'm not sure if it was explained to the customs properly that this was a team medal. But I'm not sure where the communication went wrong, because I had sent a email and a letter on 25th to DHL explaining what the medals were, what were in the shipment, and the letter was addressed to the Assistant Commissioner of Customs, Chennai. So I'm not entirely sure where there was a miscommunication or misunderstanding. And the package had also been opened, and it's clearly written on the medals that it's for the Olympiad, the chess Olympiad. It's written on the medals there with the certificates, also clearly stating the same. So I'm really not sure where the communication went wrong.
Right. Mr. Narayanan, some officials have said that the exemption benefit was not claimed. Is that the case?
Yes. It wasn't particularly claimed because by the time I even got the invoice for the duty, it had already been more than a week since the medals were in India. And at that time, my priority was to get the medals to the players as soon as possible. So when I saw the invoice, I thought I should just first do whatever they want and get the medals done. I mean, get the medals across and send it to the rest of the team. So that's what I did.
Right, but you had written a letter to DHL which was addressed to the Customs Department informing what these medals were for?
Yeah. Informing what the medals were for, and I also even given the chemical composition which was asked for us to me, what the medals were made of, the original source document. And so I provided all the possible details I could from my end.
Right, but what is the situation right now? Did the Customs Department officials reach out to you after knowing of this particular miscommunication?
They reached out to me today. DHL Express called me today and they said there had been a bit of miscommunication, and they promised to issue a refund and have asked me certain documents for the same.
All right, Grandmaster Narayanan, thank you very much for joining us. Let me go across to Karishma now, my colleague who continues to be with us. Karishma, Mr. Narayanan, they're highlighting that he had written a letter addressed to the Customs Department informing them what these medals were for, and it also mentioned the chemical composition. Now, despite that communication, the players were forced to pay customs duty.
Well, yes, absolutely, Swati. What an embarrassing position for the athletes who won laurels for the country, a win that was celebrated by the entire country. Even PM had tweeted about them, saying that history has been created, and now this is something miscommunication between the customs and the courier service, because of which the athletes, paid the money. And in fact, Srinath Narayanan in his tweet also said that he was so tired of arguing or trying to explain to them what was in that box. that he ended up paying for that amount. But now that the courier service and the customs have reached out to Srinath, one can expect that there is going to be an apology, and the amount that Srinath ended up paying would be refunded back to him as well.
All right, Karishma, thank you very much for getting us the details of this news break.